folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. Going to take up the FMS A10 70mm twin version 2, the obviously the Arctic Camo. Now this plane here has sequence gear, so you have to pay attention to that as far as lining up your landing and everything. It does take a little time. And with these dams on the back, the gear doors, they do, I don't know if that's supposed to, oh, that closes when it closes. But they do create a little bit of drag. So I have tried flying this plane with the ordnance on and the ordnance off, and I cannot tell any difference in performance. That's just me personally. That's based on about 3 flights with, maybe 2 flights with ordnance, and I really couldn't tell the difference. So I'm going to leave the ordnance on. Now the timer's set for 3 minutes and 10 seconds because it's twin 70mm on a 5000, so she eats up the juice pretty quick. So right, left, up, down, right, left. Motor's on. Get turned around here. We'll get down here at the end of the runway and I'll restart my timer. She is a great flying plane, very stable in the air. Doesn't have much, I mean, that's high rates. Let me see what my rates are. 100% throws over 20% expo, so. Dang it, I'm gonna have to get turned around here again. All right, we'll start from right there. Takeoff flaps, timer set for 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Here we go. Like I said, when she's flying, I can't tell the difference whether the ordnance is on or not. We're going to bring her right by here. We're going to take her straight up. That's pretty much it right there. Bring her by, make sure all my gear's down and everything. And it is. Now you have to remember, when you give her a little bit of gas, they've improved upon it, but when you give her a little bit of gas, she does nose down just a touch. Not nearly as bad as the version 1 did, but this one still does it, to a little bit. There we go.
Flaps up.
All right, to conserve our battery, we're going to take off from down here, maybe. I gotta go on there and move the linkage on that nose rudder, nose steering, and get it to where I've got more authority on the nose. I'm fine with the rudder the way it is. All right, takeoff flaps. Here we go. Bounce and go.
Flaps up, gear up.
Oh, that's beautiful. Back towards us. You got her? Okay.
Landing flaps, gear down. Time remaining 1 minute.
You lost her again? Well. Her size is very deceiving. All right, we're going to push one quick hop.
Takeoff flaps, flaps up. 30 seconds.
And land from the other direction.
Landing flaps, 20 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7,
There we go.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
All right.
Prop secured.
1 second left on 3-minute and 10-second timer. Oh, helps if I get my checker. Got that battery hatch mod to show you where I've got the oh goodness, it's hard to find a good place to grab this plane, especially with the ordnance on. But right there is where I've got the 5000, and back down there is a 7-channel Gen 2 Lemon RX with diversity antennas, Gen 2, not Gen 1. And this does have the reflex, but I'm only using the wind mitigation or optimized mode. So, oh, yeah, she's got split flaps, or four section flaps. Oh boy. Now one thing they didn't do, which is a design flaw, is something they've over. Now the battery's fairly warm. Got 14%, so really I should have put my timer at 3 minutes instead of 3 minutes and 10 seconds. So that battery's warmed down to 14%. I don't like going that low, but it's still good. Lots of times when you get a battery in the mail, that's where they're at, 14%. Now, if you look on the back of the model, this is what I consider a defect or something they've overlooked. When I took that battery out, first thing this model did was the tail dropped on the ground. To me, the bottom of the surfaces here and the bottom of this should have a plastic plate on there. That way, when you set the model down on the ground at your house, that's the way it's going to fall, and those control surfaces are on the ground. So it's going to mar that up over time. So I highly suggest, you know, hanging the model or putting it on a plane stand. And one thing I do that I've had the model for several months now, and this gun is all one huge solid plastic piece. I mean, it runs way into here, and I've had absolutely zero problem. And the nose is plastic. This is all hard plastic here. So the way I store the model is I put it on that gun, and I've got to lean against the wall like that. And I've had absolutely no problem. Now I don't just, you know, plop it down, but isn't that just one mean looking airplane? I mean, she's just vicious, right? All right, folks, thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC and Hobby Zone. thank you for sending this out to me for a review. I really appreciate it. We've had a lot of fun with it. We're going to continue having fun with this beautiful A10 in the camo version. Y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless each and every one of y'all. Merry Christmas. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends with an A10.